All right, one more here. Check this kid out. This is a soccer superstar, but he's kicking the wrong ball. He's kicking golf balls here. This is a kid. His name is Adalberto Borgatti Lopez. He's from Phoenix. He has a YouTube channel where he specializes in kicking soccer balls and doing soccer shots. But in this one, he's actually on you can tell here, a miniature golf course. Still kicking golf balls, kicking them into the hole. This is better than most people do with the putter.
Kids got talent. Also, are we going to say it's National Leave the Office Early Day today? It is.
And what are you going to do with it?